Mo re dumela ke a go amogela go Leihlo La Sechaba bošegong bja lekgono ka leina ke nna Raymond wa ga Mojapelo. Ke peresente e tee ya maAfrika Borwa yeo e abago madi ao a thušago ge go hlokagala go phološa maphelo. Baabi ba madi ba re a bana madi ao a lekanego mme se sa ba dudiše gabotse. Good evening. It is only 1% of South Africans who donate blood, which is used during emergencies to save lives. The blood bank in the country says its stock is not enough and is a concern.
Madi ga se sepe se go ka tweng se lekane mo polekelong ya teng. Dikotsi le malwetse a tlhokang kabelano ya madi ga di rerise ope pele di diragala. Ka maswabi ke peresente le nngwe fela ya boitidi jwa maAfrika Borwa e neelanang ka madi.
As far as I'm concerned, ke save maphelo. That is all. I can save maphelo.
I think if I didn't get blood, I don't think go be ke tsogile.
Ke mpho e leng hore tšhelete e ke se ke ya reka. O fa motho a gift of life. It's something e leng hore it's priceless.
Gongwe go fitlhela motho a itemogela botlhokwa jwa madi a abelanang a ka se tlhaloganye mosola wa go abelana ka madi. Maitemogelo a bangwe ba batho ba ba abelanang ka madi a ba rutile thuto e ba ka se lebaleng.
I was involved in a car accident, I think in 2003. Then when I passed out, when I woke up, I was in hospital. And then I was told I lost a lot of blood. Then they had to give me blood. Then this question, whose blood did they give me, started there. And then they explained to me, no, there are people that are donating blood to save lives of people that lose blood on our roads on a daily basis.
Seo se ile sa ama maikutlo a gagwe, mme le ene a simolola go thusa ba bangwe ba ba ka tswang ba le mo diphateng tse di bolelo.
I then registered to be a donor. So when I got to Lewisfield, that's where they explained, no, my blood type is A positive. I can donate plasma, the platelets.
Re lebohile motsimbi o direla setheo sa polokelo ya madi, the South African National Blood Services.
South African National Blood Services ke company e leng gore e save maphelo a batho. Mosebetsi wa rona go gore ra tswa re ya go di company tse fapafapaneng dikolong le di community re collecta madi ao a ya go dipetlele go thusa balwetse ba kulang ba hlokang madi.
A re madi a na le dikarolo di le tharo mo go one. Tse dingwe tsa tsone ke plasma le platelets tse Jacob Mathebula a abelanang ka tsone.
Re na le a specialized donor centers mo e leng gore o ka kgona go donate only plasma or platelets. So what happens is that process thing is longer than when you donate a normal the whole blood. So process thing it's a so o tlo fihla wa donate, then how to donate madi how a tlo tswa go fela as a whole blood. Then motšhini ole o mo hona mo ke sho le bona ke motšhini wa teng o ke motšhini o moholo o tlo separate madi o keep only plasma ka mogare, and then the rest of the blood o tlo gutela back go wena. So that's why ke process thing inka a bit longer because it's a inka is stopper is separator, it keep only plasma, then the rest of the blood gutlele, and then it's a fela yalo fela until the back ebe itlala.
I come and donate every 14 days. Every 14 days I come through and donate. If I'm not busy, if I'm busy, then I'll skip the 14 days, make arrangements and come through. But this donation takes a while, a minimum of 90 minutes for me to be here, excluding the admin part, which is the forms that I need to fill, the iron test and the BP test, excluding those. It's 90 minutes on the machine.
How donate madi or donate a pint e 1 year madi. So how donate a pint e 1 year madi? We divide it into 3 components, which is red cells, plasma, and platelets. So with these 3 components, you can basically save 3 lives, up to 3 lives. Because red cells are save the patient with anemia, and then plasma save the patients tse nang le bo hemophilia le severe burns like batho ba chileng ke la bona o chile o tswa metsing yana a le nkang a yellow nyana ke yona plasma. And then for platelets it thusa haholo di patients tse nang le bo kankere bo cancer jwalo jwalo.
I have been donating for the past decade or so I've not stopped.
Yo mong yo abelanang ka madi ke Lolo Raphela a re o ne a itse ka go abelana ka madi mme go sena sepe se se mo rotloetsang.
Ke gale ke ntse ke tseba ka yona but gore ke nne interested it was 5 years ago towards birthday yaka and I wanted to give back, so ne ke le lata gore nka organize dilo, so I came across a post mo social media gore go na le drive e tlo iragalang mo Greenstone and then e be ke ne ke nagana gore go tlo nna botlhoko le tsa go tlo nna botlhoko dilo tse yalo but it was nascent to yalo, it was simple needle 1 second pinch and then fell, it was done.
Go tlegong foo ga ka a tlhola a leba kwa morago e setse e le dingwaga di le 5 jaanong a abelana ka madi. Lekgarebe leno la re le rotloeditswe ke matsholo a the South African National Blood Services a ntse a le kwa sekolong gore le ene a abelane ka madi.
I think to an extent, yes, di a fitlhela ko bathong. It's just that rona re godile ka di beliefs tsa gore a re di organ donor, di blood donor, but I think as nako e evolve, I think rona especially ba batjha re adapted to these modern things lately.
Le ko dikolong re encourage bana ba banyane gore wa bona ba phele bophelo bo hantle gore ba hole ka yona ntho ya go donate madi, and once ba qala ko dikolong ba hola ka yona and ba tlwaela go phela bophelo bo leng gore bo hantle bo safe.
Gone fa ile gore go abelana ka madi go molemo mongwe ka ipotsa gore goreng e le persente e ka nna nngwe fela ya batho ba ba abelanang ka madi.
Batho ba bantsi ba na le go tshoga, a ke tsebe gore why ba na le go tshoga, but for nna ke tsa gore as youth o tshwantse re donate as much as possible. Yes re fana ka monyetlo mongwe gape but le yone encourage gore re tlhokomele as batjha gape.
It's sad, it's more South Africa re le bangata so but it's only 1% of the population that is donating blood, so that's why we encourage more people to become blood donors so that we can be able to save lives, because without them le gona a ka se kgone gore re ka pholosa maphelo a batho. So that's why o bona re phela re le tsholong re le di shopping centers re le go di molong batho ba rona ba le go dikolong di-company, so that we make it convenient for people ba leng gore ba batla go donate madi mara ha ba kgone go fitla go di-donor centers tsa rona.
Ditumelo dingwe tsa kereke di ganetsana le go amogela kgotsa go abelana ka madi. Ba dumela gore go se nne le sepe se se emang thato ya modimo mo pele tota le mo bolwetseng kgotsa dikgobalong.
Re ka se phisi batho go ntho ba kgolong ho yona wa utlwisisa, because motho mo lomong o na le right ya believe ya gagwe o ke la bona mare go donate madi. I would like to encourage everyone gore a donate madi, because when you do that you actually giving someone a second chance to live, if you can make to raise their kids, to fulfill their dreams. So as you know gore ha ona company e leng gore e manufacture madi, we're relying on people ba voluntary ba tle ba tlo donate madi ba kgone go save maphelo a batho.
I think it's a choice. You need to make a choice. Do you want your sibling to be alive, or do you want to protect your religion? So other people, they put religion before life. Others, they'll put life before religion. For now, I'd say save a life. How is that person going to follow religion if they are dead?
Nna ke mo Kriste, so ke tshepa gore ha ke fana ka madi aka ke fa motho mongwe, like I said, ke fa motho mongwe monyetla gore a phele gape. So the way nna ke itsang ka teng ke go neela yes ke go neela gore motho mongwe a kgone go phela.
Everybody has their own way of seeing life. But if you can't save the life, so what religion are you going to practice? Or with whom? Because that person, you need him, Utomruta, Buzayoni Bo, or Muslim, or Seventh-day Adventist, or whatever religion it is. So you need that person to be alive first. Then the religion will come after to appeal.
Modimo fana ka chance, but le di doctor di fana ka chance, le rena go na le di donor tse tshwanang le rena re fana ka monyetla o.
Ka nako nngwe motho o donate o ntho ya o donate madi e mo fitlhela ha e setse e etsahetse ka hara lelapa. O thola ka nako nngwe mosadi wa hao o ile a lo pepa a lose madi a mangata, so a hloke madi ka pele gore a kgone gore a phele. So as monna hae o le lesangoma, obviously o tlo bona gore hantlentle ntho ena e bohlokwa ene ya gore go donate madi, because ke e phudisitse bophelo ba mosadi wa ka. Then that's when we start getting people ba tlang ba donate madi ba re wa tseba nna ne ntse ke sa kgole mo nthong ene ke le ka e bona mosadi wa ka o ngwanaka o mang wa family ya ka a ne a kula haholo a hloka madi a fuwa madi, so ke teng mo ke le ka bona gore hantlentle ntho e na le bohlokwa.
Anything can happen. How you pregnant, you sometimes need blood. The accident they happen, you don't predict lo tse jwalo. So how donate you are saving someone else's life. You're saving one from being an orphan.
Puso le maokelo a private a reka madi go tswa mo setheong sa polokelo ya madi sa SANBS. Fela bao ba baneelanang ka madi ga ba duelwe sepe. Batho bangwe ba re SANBS e direla bao ba naelanang ka madi bosigo ka kobo.
Ke fana ka madi a ka for free, and then ntho e nthabisang gore ke a itse gore ke fa motho mongwe monyetla wa gore a phela a itekanetse. It's not about yena fela, but ke a tseba gore somewhere out there go na le ngwana o a tsebang gore mmage o tlo bua gae a le shapo, go na le motswadi o a leteletseng gore ngwana a buye a le shapo after sickness or anything.
As far as I'm concerned, ke save maphelo. That is all. I can save maphelo.
I'm giving it for free. So now I don't know how it gets to the hospital part. But now we're doing our part to make sure that our people are okay on the roads and in hospitals. That's where I'm concerned much. I'm not concerned about them selling my plasma.
Matsimbi a re dipuo dingwe di tlhodiwa ke go sa tlhaloganye.
Re ka se madi from wena ra wa fa the next person the way a leng ka teng. Go na le di processes tse etsahalang before re tlo fa patient madi. So madi a tlamile gore a test, like ke tshilo ke re tlamile a testiwa a lo processiwa, ha processiwa, that's the process mo leng gore ba wa separator into red cells, plasma and platelets. So all those processes tse etsahalang ko mading before aba a final product, obviously di costa tšhelete. So hore madi abe a final product a fitlhe ko patienting a fitlhe le gore setse a itswe a testiwe a processitswe a transportiwe, even the people ba tlang ba tlo nka madi a hao obviously ke batho ba professional. You wouldn't allow anyone that if you take anyone from the street gore a tla tlo ga madi a hao again. So we need to take batho ba leng gore ba professional, they are trained who is a miracle o gore lo wena o be le confident ha re ka re tlo nka madi a hao. So the charity e patala ha o ya ko public hospital ha o patale next, government will cover everything. So how you go private hospital, medical aid cover everything. But it's only if you go to a private hospital as a private patient, it's not medical aid something. But whatever patala, it's only the services that has been rendered when as a quality safe blood.
Ebile o kgapetse kwa thoko dipego tsa gore baratani ba bong bo le nosi ga ba letlelelwa go neelana ka madi le gore madi a merafe e mengwe a kgapelwa go thoko.
Madi kaofela a testiwa, madi ha le safe, a le free from all the markers, then a fuwa balwetse mo sepetlele. Because ebile madi a rona hangwa le mabitse ke di-sticker, ke di-barcode, ha o fihla ko lap, ha ona mo bontshang hore ke ya motho o motsho ka lekgowa or ke ya eng. So ke madi ra maka ka gore a safe a ka fuwa patient. As long as o meet criteria ya rona, o ka donate madi, but hape go na le di-health questionnaires re di botsang before o tlo donate madi, just to make sure gore wena ha o donate madi you are also in good health, so that ha re qeta ho donate madi you also o sala also o le in good health. As much as re batla madi a hao, ha re batle go compromise your health.
Tlhoba boroko ke gore ka matsatsi a boikhutso jaaka matsatsi a Paseka le Keresemese, kabelo ya madi e ya kwa tlase thata le fa gone e le nako e madi a tlhokagalang thata ka yone. Dikotsi le dikgobalo di diragala di le dintsi ka nako eo.
Batho ba ngata ha le di-holiday ha nke ba donate madi. So re le ga bona a huge decline in our stock levels. So ke ka ho re qadileng a campaign e reng ho yona e reng answer the call. So ka this campaign re kgothaletsa batho hore ba donate madi.
Le fa go ntse jalo, Matsimbi a re o itumelela tsibogo ya batho segolo jang batho batsho. Palo ya bone ya go abelana ka madi e ya kwa godimo.
What I like is that more and more black people are donating blood. No, se re bona batho ba ntsho ba bangata ba leng gore ba donate madi because of we created awareness. Tse dingata, we go into black communities, we go into black schools, we go into like everywhere mo khona le batho ba rona ba batho ba ntsho go ba educator and to create awareness about blood donation. So that's why re bona gore batho ba bangata no ba batho ba ntsho ba donate madi, and it's something e leng gore ya re thabisa because re batla go bona everyone donate madi.
I feel great knowing where I've donated to a great cause. The person I'm donating to, they've never known it's me that's donating, but at least they are alive. So I feel okay. It's a good initiative. I was given a second chance in life. So that's why I feel it is important for me to give others a chance. Because I don't want to think of what could have happened if I didn't receive the blood transfusion at that time. So that's why I'm continuing to donate, because it's for a good cause.
Mo godimo ga seo, ba re go abelana ka madi go ba thusa go ikilela mo dilong dingwe tsa bophelo.
Since ke thoma go donate ke make sure gore le dijo tse ke di jang di na le phepo, to ensure gore nka gona go tla ke boe gape ke tlo donate.
I get it, okay, lead a safe life, meaning ubeli a one sexual partner, uska engage go lifestyle e leng gore etla o etsa gore o be more risky ya o thola malwetse e leng gore a tshellana ka madi.
It's something se ke tsang proud. Firstly, go donate madi go etsa gore o live a healthy life. And also the thing ya gore you saving batho, it also makes a difference. For someone previously I have had the family members bana ba tlhoka madi. So it also reminds me gore I am not just helping anyone, ke thusa motho o tlhokang madi. And saving lives, I think it's a contribution to a better society. That's my little contribution to society.
Go a dumelesega gore motho a ka neelana ka madi kgapetsa-kgapetsa fa a batla.
Ka di-platelets, plasma le platelet, o ka donate every 2 weeks, unlike how donate a whole blood. Ka whole blood, you can donate every 56 days. Because remember, the red cells are di tlabe di tswile, so we need to wait gore di khutlele hape mmeleng wa bone di rebuild the hape. So ka red cells, ka plasma le platelet, wa khona go ka donate every 2 weeks, because everything ya how e tlabe e khutetse back o setse only plasma go back.
Plasma, it helps cancer patients, even the newborns, it helps. So from one bag of my donation, it can assist 3 adults and 1 infant.
go batho bangwe ba ba nang le madi a rileng mme bone ba rotloediwa go abelana ka one kgapetsa-kgapetsa.
Re kgothaletsa batho ba di-blood group tsa A le AB hore ba donate plasma or platelets. So for whole blood, everyone can donate whole blood. Ma haholo rata go kgothaletsa batho ba O hore ba donate madi le B. Ka O, the reason why hangata ha rena le crisis re bitsa batho ba O haholo is because blood group O, it's a universal blood group.
Raphele a re le bone ba na le karolo e kgolo e ba tshwanetseng go e tshameka ebile o kgapela kwa thoko tumelo ya gore madi a bone a rekisiwa fa bona ba abelana ka one ntle le go amogela le fa ile sente e ntsho.
Le rena di donor ha ke bua le batho, I do encourage that. Have you had o se le ba utlwa ka go donate, what's your take, donate, and if khonale the misconception I do clarify gore no, it's not like that. Send Baski NGO, meaning for whatever the money that is being paid by the private sector, ke a gore e boe e be part of the circle ecosystem ya gore tšhelete eo e patela di-employee, e patela di-center, e patela marketing, e patela dilo tso tsohle. So it's not gore private sector is paying so that they can eat the money, okay? But e patela gore it's creating employment as well.
One madi a go abelanwang ka one a na le nako e a tshwanetseng gore a be a dirisitswe ka yone.
Red cell ina le lifespan ya 42 days, and then red plasma ke 30 days, and then platelets ke about 5 days.
SANBS ya re mongwe le mongwe yo dingwaga di feta 16 fela a le ka fa tlase ga dingwaga di le 75 bokete jwa gagwe jwa mmele bo feta kilograme di le 50 ebile a phela bophelo jo bo babalesegileng a ka abelana ka madi.
Ke ka fao re be gore go swaretse ka gona bošegong bja lekgono buša o be le rena gape la bobedi le letlago ge nako ile iri ya seswai mathapama gona mo SABC 2 o ka re ngwalela ka email go leihlo la sechaba @sabc.co.za o ba re ngwalela go letlakala la leihlo la sechaba go Facebook manane wa leihlo la sechaba a hwetšagala go YouTube go kwa ka lenaneo le latelago theeletša Thobela FM, Lesedi FM le Motsweding FM ka la bobedi mesong a be boroko šalang.